Hello folks, this is Mike. Now one morning we woke up and we found a few tiny little bugs on our vanity countertop. And indeed in a few more days these little bugs were all over the bathroom. Now we looked closely and these turned out to be sugar ants. Now we could have called the exterminator, but we decided for a more natural solution, and boy did it work. So let me show you what we did. So you could use insecticide or maybe even smash the ants like this, but this will never work. What you need is a strategy to kill the queen, and you can guarantee that queen is nearby and she's making more and more and more little baby ants to replace all the worker ants that you're killing here. To do that, we decided to try a borax and sugar formula. Now this combination will kill a number of insect pests. They'll kill all kinds of ants, it'll kill roaches, and many others. And believe me, they will find it and they'll transport it back to the source and feed it to their queen. My wife used 1/4 teaspoon of borax soap powder and 1/4 teaspoon of sugar, just common table sugar. And we just used a bottle cap, and once we had it mixed, we sprinkled a few drops of water in it. Now the water drops will cause the borax and the sugar to partially dissolve together, ensuring that the ants will have to ingest both at the same time. For your convenience, I'll put a paid link in the video description for the borax soap. But be aware, folks, that it's probably going to be a lot cheaper if you bought it at Walmart or at your local grocery store than it will be online. Now, after she mixed it, we put it in an out-of-the-way place on our vanity countertop. Now, notice the activity here. This is the morning of the next day. The bottle cap is covered up, and this continued throughout the day. And you can see the ants leaving the bait and returning to the nest. Now, on day 3, as the day progressed, there are fewer and fewer ants visiting the bait, and we are seeing more and more dead ants. On the morning of day 4, there are no active ants. There are numerous dead ants in various places in our bathroom. So we went ahead and cleaned up the dead ants, but we left the bait out. And on the 5th day, there are still no living ants, and I have no new dead ants. So I think that this borax formula has done the trick. And it wiped out the colony in less than 36 hours. As we mentioned before, now this formula will work on many other types of insects and roaches and ants besides just sugar ants. And of course, with bigger pests and more widespread infestations, you'll want to use probably bigger containers, mix up bigger batches, and maybe put it out in a number of locations. Now, before we finish up, let me give you a warning. Like many other laundry products, Boraxo can be potentially harmful to humans if ingested, if you get it in your eyes, if you breathe it. So be sure to remember not to put this out where your pets can get to it or small children. And in high concentrations, it can have a very serious impact on your health. So folks, be sure to send me your comments. I will answer you. Be sure to go below and like our video, subscribe to our channel, and ring that notification bell. And until next time, thanks for watching.